Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment we're going to cover about router jigs. Okay, here in this example I have a router jig and it's used for making templates for the hinge release on doors. And basically what a router jig is a template or device that's used to guide the router into making a specific cutting design or pattern. In this case, this jig would be used for making a release on doors for hinges. And basically what it is it tacks down to the top of a door or the side of a door, and it allows you to guide through this template here, the router bit, which will cut the hinge relief out of a door. And the jigs on a router can be used for anything from making letters or various template designs or door reliefs or any number of things. But basically what a router guide is it just guides the router into cutting a specific pattern. In this case, it'd be in a door relief. So what a router jig is, it's a template or design that guides the router bit into making a specific cutting pattern. That's what a router jig is.